Hi, today's topic is classification of nerve fibers. So basically this nerve fibers are classified by 6 different methods. They are classified depending upon origin, depending upon structure, depending upon function, depending upon distribution, depending upon secretion of neurotransmitter, last one depending upon the diameter and conduction of impulses. First one is depending upon the structure. We have two nerve fibers, myelinated nerve fibers and non-myelinated nerve fibers. Myelinated nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which are covered by the myelin sheath. So the non-myelinated nerve fibers will be the nerve fibers which are not covered by the myelin sheath. So depending upon structure, myelin sheath which is covered, which is called myelinated fibers, and which is not covered is called non-myelinated nerve fibers. So next is depending upon distribution, we have somatic nerve fibers and visceral or autonomic nerve fibers. Somatic nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which is supplied to the skeletal muscles of the body, and autonomic nerve fibers are the fibers which supplies various internal organs in our body. So we have somatic and visceral or autonomic nerve fibers. Third one is depending upon the origin, cranial nerve fibers and spinal nerve fibers. Name itself indicating nerve fibers which is arising from brain is called cranial nerve fibers, and spinal nerve fibers are which is arising from the spinal cord. Nerve fibers arising from spinal cord as spinal nerve fibers, nerve fibers which is arising from brain as cranial nerve fibers. So depending upon function, we have sensory nerve fibers and motor nerve fibers. Sensory nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which carries impulses from different parts of our body to the central nervous system. Okay. The next one is motor nerve fibers, which are the nerve fibers which carry impulses from central nervous system to the body, CNS to the body parts. Okay. So this sensory nerve fibers is also called as efferent nerve fibers. Motor nerve fibers are also called as efferent nerve fibers. So next is depending upon secretion of neurotransmitter. We have adrenergic nerve fibers and cholinergic nerve fibers. Adrenergic nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which secretes noradrenaline, and cholinergic nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which secrete acetylcholine. Last one is depending upon diameter and conduction impulses. Diameter in the sense thickness. They are divided into A alpha, A beta, A gamma, A delta, B and C fibers. According to their diameter, it is divided in this way. Okay, and velocity of conduction is also mentioned.